Google Earth, and I'm going to record a tour. I created a folder. I just called it Places I Lived, and I kept it short. This is probably a third of the places I've lived, but just for the sake of doing this exercise. When I'm on the folder, you'll see that a little play button appears here. One way of recording um, your tour is to hit that, and it'll automatically start going through the place marks in the order that you have them. You can do that, and then actually let's start this again. Pull it back out. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up, and while that tour goes through, I can be recording my voice. So here we go. I'm going to start. Okay, and now I'm recording a tour, and it's focusing in on where I'm originally from, which is Gnawbone, Indiana. And then it's going to go over to my father's log cabin on the other side of this not very populated place. And then we moved far across the country to another not very populated place in Vermont. And I can even see, I can bring up that image. That's an image of a church in Marlborough. And then we're going to move on to Brattleboro. And everything I'm doing is getting recorded. So at this point, you could have as many of these as you want, but you may want to control better the pace. So what you can do is your other option is to here's one where I just put in Street View, so you can see, like, you can actually go places and it'll give you that view when you go to them. So let's say I want to do this at my own pace. I'm going to stop this recording. Okay, and now I'm recording a tour, and it's focusing in on so now I'm where I'm originally from, which is Gnawbone. So I'm going to do a different one. I'm going to save that as my paste tour. Okay, you can see it there. Right. So I'm going to do a different one. And we're going to go up to the folder. And this one I'm going to self-paste, and you can do this yourself. I'm going to go out, right? And then I'm going to hit my record button. And I'm going to start recording. All right, so now I'm recording. And then I can just click through my place marks, and it's recording where I go. And I don't have much to say about this again, so I'm going to just go like this. And this way I can control the time that I want. Let's say, while I'm doing this, I might want to go on a little bit more, go on a little bit less. Okay. I'm going to exit ground level view, but it's recording everything on the screen. And then I would say I want to skip around. I'm going to go where I am now. And I can even go into street level then, and it'll record as I do that. Much more summary on this day than it is today. But I could even take that, and I could take a walking tour, which is something you may want to do in Livingston on the streets. And you can link it to historical things and such. So here I have a link for Gnawbone, and I put the link in there as you said you might have. And I can link out to something so you can record all of this. So I'm going to go back, and I'm going to stop recording, and hopefully this helps. Recording. All right, so now I'm recording, and then I can just click through. And I'm going to save that as my second recording.
So now I'm recording, and then I can just click through.
You can see it goes through all of it.
I could even take I could take a walking tour, something you may want to do.
Okay, so hopefully that works for you. But if you have any other questions, let me know.
And we can get to historical things and such.